Education will open doors. This is you. This is your future. And these are your options. You can write your own story, so how do you know which way to go? Enter CTE, Career Technical Education, helping you open doors. Transportation, distribution, and logistics. This business and industry endorsement is an academic track that allows a student to focus deeply on courses related to the field of automotive technology. Students who desire to make a contribution in automotive technology, automotive collision, and repair services should consider this endorsement. And these are just a few careers associated with this program of study. And these are just a few colleges and universities that specialize in fields in this endorsement. Dual enrollment classes are also available in this endorsement. These are certifications offered by this endorsement. You can join the club.
Transportation, distribution, and logistics is my class. Business and industry is my endorsement. Join today.